Hello students, welcome to my English class once again. Now today in this class we will continue the topic active and passive voice. Now guys, today we will learn how to change future tense into passive voice. Okay, how to make the passive voice if our sentence is in future tense. So let's commence with the first one, that is simple future tense. Guys, we all know that in simple future tense we use subject plus will or shall, then first form of the verb. So if you want to make the passive voice, then what we have to do, we only add beb after will or shall, and the rest rule will be same as we have done in present or past. So see the structure. What will be the structure of passive voice in future tense? It will be subject plus will or shall plus be plus third form of the verb plus by and object. Okay, now have a look on the example. My parents will take us to the park. Now see how to make the passive voice. We will be taken to the park by our parents. Have a look on the another example. See the active voice. The head of the department will provide copies. Now in this sentence, the head is the subject and copies are the object. Okay, so we interchange the position of subject and object. Copies will be provided by the head of the department. So what is the rule? That in passive voice we use will be or shall be plus third form of the verb. Now have a look on the future perfect tense. Guys, as you all know that in future perfect tense we use will or shall plus have. Okay, but to make passive voice we will add be and been also. So what will be the structure? Just have a look. Subject plus will have plus been plus third form of the verb plus by and then object. Have a look on the example. See the active voice. By next Monday, Nick will have taken the examination. Now see how to change into passive voice. By next Monday, the examination will have been taken by Nick. So what will be the rules? The rule will be that we use will or shall plus have been plus third form of the verb in future perfect passive voice. Okay, guys, here one thing also you have to remember, that only those verbs which have a direct object can be converted into the passive voice. In other words, we can say that only transitive verbs can be converted from the active to the passive voice. Okay, as you can see in this picture, that she played piano. In this sentence, the subject she is having the direct object, the piano. That's why we have changed it into passive voice. So guys, intransitive verbs cannot be changed into passive voice. The sentences having intransitive verbs, okay, belonging to any tense cannot be changed into passive voice. The reason is that there is not any object in such sentences, and without object of sentence passive voice is not possible. Okay, so guys, we can say that we all know that there are 12 tenses, and among all these 12 tenses only 8 tenses can be converted into passive voice. Okay, now these are the 4 tenses, they do not have their passive voice. They are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous and future continuous. So guys, this is about the active and passive voice, and I hope that it is clear to you.